Well, it looks like we're finally going to get some snowfall. This is what's predicted right now for New Year's Eve. Looking at about 3 inches is what they're predicting. So I like looking at it this way. So this is what they're expecting, which is what I just showed you. But if you come over here, this picture here is like 1 out of 10% chance of getting it. So this is like the highest end snowfall you could get. And then if we go to, it kicks me back every time. Sorry about that. So this is what they're predicting. This is the absolute high end, and this is what we're at least guaranteed to get. So as the storm gets closer, these 3 pictures will actually end up closer too, as they get the prediction straight more. But I showed you that one, and now we'll show you what they're for sure at least predicting. You know. So that's what we got coming. And there's the warning if you want to read it. But I'll let that up. So what I'm doing here, so I'm flipping my weights around from, I actually had all 4 on here when I loaded when I picked up the new toolbox. So for snow, that's actually how I like to hang my weights. And then, blue shovel, painted John Deere green. I stick that right like that, and I just take a bungee cord and wrap it around. So there we go. I just take one of these bungee ball things and I hook it on my top link pin. And that way it's real simple, even with gloves on. And then I just kind of hook right in there. And it doesn't go very far. But I will show you the new attachment we got for this thing. So I picked up one of them steel paddle flapper wheel things. So we'll see how good that is in some snow. But the last thing I need to do is the other day when I came in with the trailer with the second toolbox on it. I'm backing in. I took out one of my snow stakes with the corner. I'm backing up and I'm hearing tink, 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 tink. What the heck is that? Pulled back forward a little bit to straighten back out and I hear it ting, ting. Pulled it right out of the ground and threw it across the driveway. So I'm going to go whack this one back in. And thing I won't see you guys till probably after the New Year's. Happy New Year's. And hope you enjoyed this quick little update here. Prepping the last couple things for snow removal. We got a fancy high-tech stick made up this time. Because I don't like shoving my hands in there, even with the tractor off. So that's just going to sit right in there. And I'm going to go whack this in outside. And yeah, click a thumbs up. We'll be getting to some awesome snow videos here real shortly. Okay, so here's the updated snowfall. This is as of 9 a.m. this morning. Same morning pretty much. But now if we go to here, 5 to 4 inches.
Medic 7, you can start heading back.
is kind of predicted in this area. So that's what they're predicting. If you go to the high end amount, you know, 8, 10, 9, 8, 6. So right, I'm looking at about 6 plus if we get the high end amount. We're guaranteed at least to get 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Some in this 2 to 3, 4 range. Look at what they're predicting again. So there you go. And we'll look at hourly here. So between 1 and 6, 2.3 inches. Between 6 and midnight, 1.6. Between midnight and 6 a.m., 0.1. And if you can see where they're predicting most of it, you know, it's where the storm advisory is in this purple blue color here. That's where we're predicting the heaviest band of it. Anything useful here? Yeah, same exact thing. But there you go. Just wanted to add that to the video. Enjoy. Have a happy New Year's.